that creating a virus from scratch is not just science fiction, that in hidden labs around the world, scientists work with the very building blocks of life to understand, and sometimes manipulate, the microscopic entities that have shaped human history. Viruses are nature's tiny but deadly software programs. Unlike bacteria, they aren't even alive in the traditional sense. They don't eat, they don't breathe, and yet they can take down entire civilizations. So, can we build one from scratch? And if so, should we? Viruses are essentially genetic codes, DNA or RNA wrapped in a protein shell. And just like coding software, scientists can, in theory, write a virus from scratch by assembling the right genetic components. This isn't science fiction. It has already been done. In 2002, researchers recreated the polio virus using only its genetic sequence. And in 2005, scientists resurrected the 1918 Spanish flu virus, one of the deadliest pandemics in human history. But why? Much like hacking into a system, building a virus can be used for both good and evil. Scientists use this knowledge to create vaccines, study disease outbreaks, and even develop treatments for cancer. But in the wrong hands, a synthetic virus could be the ultimate biological weapon. The ability to create a virus is both a scientific marvel and a potential global threat. Bioengineering labs are strictly regulated, but as technology advances, the line between creation and destruction blurs. If we have the power to create life, or at least something that can replicate inside a host, should we? Could these advancements backfire? Could a single mistake unleash something unstoppable? The reality is, making a virus from scratch is no longer a question of if, but how responsibly. And while scientists work to stay ahead of nature's own deadly creations, the future of bioengineering remains both thrilling and terrifying. So, the next time you hear about a new virus, ask yourself, was it born in the wild or built in a lab? And more importantly, what does the future hold for the power to create life at the microscopic level? The answer might just change everything.